Alright, I know this isn't really performance oriented, but I had my window regulator go out over the weekend, and not fun. The cable snapped on it, on the top side, so the window wouldn't go up, just down. So, this is why I like swivel head ratchets. You use them like a speed ratchet, or speed handle. But there's 3 nuts, 1, 2, and a third, right there. So get the regulator out. And they say you're supposed to take out the foam block too, but I don't know. Because you can see right here, the angle's supposed to go down, so. Oh, and before I get that far, let's get that unplugged. Oh, hey, we got some water in here. Of course we do. It's raining. But you can see it angles down that way. So I think you should have plenty of room to get it out without messing with that. But we'll find out. Alright, I'm about to stop recording here because I have to hold it while I get that one loose. Alright, and we are back. Let's see if we can get this taken care of. Slide it down. Slide it down. Why am I singing it like it's a Spider-Man song? How do I know? Oh, okay. There we go. Yep. Okay, so confirmed. You don't need to pull out that foam block. You guys just saw it here. Got it out. Now I gotta swap over the motor and get the new one situated. Be right back. Alright, just a quick comparison of the replacement. You don't get a motor with the regulator. Just get the regulator. But that's how it's supposed to look. And oh, it's a little floppy. Kind of like your grandpa on a Valentine's Day evening. So, yep, that's why it's broke. Okie dokie. Time to get it swapped over. Okay, we got it swapped over. Looking good. Now to finagle it in here. Just kind of tilt it up. Slide it in like so. And then, see that line up there? I want to kind of get it in. And boom. All lined up. I really need to get a GoPro or something. Okay, I'm gonna need both hands to get this little nuts on here, so be back in a bit. Okay, everything's back in, windows on. You gotta make sure you get that little piece in there in. You will have to use both hands on it. Got everything plugged back in. Let's go and program it now. Always stick all this apart just in case there's anything that doesn't work or it breaks again. Because, you know, no sense in tearing all that off again. Okay, you just need it on key on, engine off, and where your windows go down. So, well, get her down. All the way. Now, we're going to go over here. We'll hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we go back up. Okay, now we hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Up. It didn't work. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Huh, it's not working. Well, I want to try and get this figured out here and why it's not working. Alright, I did find a video that kind of shows the proper way to reset this window. Looks like I was wrong on the video I was watching prior to doing this. It said to hold it down for 10 seconds, and the proper method is holding it down for 15 to 20 seconds, then going up, holding it for 15 seconds, and then going back down and holding it for 15 seconds again. I did mine for 12 on the third down one, but I did get it programmed. Both my auto up and auto down functions work correctly now.